Stop looking for the right IFA or wealth manager. Okay, that headline, 9 in 10 pension funds underperform FTSE All Share Tracker, tells you that all that's going to happen is every single one you go to is going to give you the same set of selections. So what's going wrong with pensions, whether you're a professional or a business owner? What is going wrong and why is it going wrong? Well, first of all, institutionally, there's a conflict of interest. They can't, in a year like 2022, tell you to go into cash because they won't get paid. And in years where the market's falling, cash is the only alternative because hardly anything's going up unless you want to see your money being burnt in front of you. You might enjoy that. Okay. Get educated, get informed. I have a ton of free resources. As a hedge fund manager, as somebody who's written 200 columns in the Financial Times, I'm more than happy to share those for free. There's a link on the screen. My team and I will, for free, it's our pro bono work for society, review your pension. We'll give you a free copy of my Macmillan published book. It's one of 17 others that I've also written, reviewed by the Financial Times and by Bloomberg and by the BBC, amongst others, and hedge fund managers as well. Okay, let's get informed, get educated, take action. It is your pension, and for God's sake, I mean, of course, I appreciate you don't read Pensions Age. Who the hell does? People like me. You will see, and this is not new, the performance of pensions in Britain is piss poor. Okay, we've been given these wonderful tax-free wrappers, ISAs, SIPs, and we're not making money in them. Now, I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but it almost makes you think that if you made the kind of money that the Americans make in their pensions, because they, of course, track the NASDAQ or the S&P, which you would be able to do in the UK as well, then the 55% the NASDAQ went up in 2023, or the 25 odd percent it went up in 2024, might lead to a lot of people retiring early. Maybe the employers just want to put you into poor funds, or the IFAs and the wealth managers, so they can milk you longer for fees. I'm starting to get a bit conspiratorial. When I did my Bloomberg TV show on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I would talk about exactly this issue, and I've been surprised to think that 25 years later, I'm still talking about the same stuff that I mentioned. I bring up on my BBC newspaper review whenever I can as well. Anyway, if you'd like a free pension review, if you're in that category of a professional or a business owner, for instance, or actually somebody who's approaching retirement or already retired and worried about growth, then do feel free to get in touch. We will put those resources your way. Thank you.